Hi to all, welcome to my third class on visualizing solid shapes. In this class I am going to discuss faces, edges and vertices, convex polyhedrons, regular polyhedrons. Look at these solid shapes. Each shape is made up of polygonal regions. That is, here in this shape rectangle and squares are used. Here triangle is and rectangle is there. Such solid we can call it as polyhedrons. The polygonal region used here in this polyhedron we can call it as faces. Now look at the faces here. Each face meeting at a line segment. This we can call it as edges. Now look at the edges. Each edge here 1, 2 and 3. This meeting at 3 edges meeting at this point. This point we can call it as vertex. That means for every polyhedron's faces, edges and vertices will be there. Here you can see these are all polyhedrons, but these figures, these solids are not polyhedrons because this is not made up of polygonal regions. Now again look at these polyhedrons. As in the case of convex polygon, this we can call it as convex polyhedron. So these are convex polyhedrons. Look at these polyhedrons. These polyhedrons are not convex. That is, these are not convex polyhedrons. Now look at these polyhedrons. Here in the first one, each faces are regular polygons, that is square. So this we can call it as a cube. Now look at a vertex. This vertex is formed by 3 faces, that is 1, 2 and 3. And you can see in all the cases of that polygon, each vertex is formed by 3 faces. So this kind of polygon we can call it as, this kind of polyhedrons we can call it as regular polyhedrons. That is, a polyhedron is said to be regular if its faces are made up of regular polygons and the same number of faces meet at each vertex. Now look at this polyhedron. Here you can see each faces are congruent polygons, that is congruent triangle. But look at the vertex. Here this vertex formed by 3 faces, 1, 2 and 3. Whereas this, look at this vertex formed by 1, 2, 3, 4. So this vertex is formed by 4 faces, whereas this vertex formed by only 3 faces. So this polyhedron we cannot say it is regular. This is not a regular polyhedron. Now look at these polyhedrons. Here the top and bottom both are congruent polygons. That is, here it is a rectangle and in this figure it is triangle. And look at the faces. These faces we can call it as lateral faces. That means the face except the top and bottom we can call it as lateral faces. These faces are also congruent, but sometimes it can be a rectangle or a square, but in common we can call it as they are parallelograms. Such polyhedrons we can call it as prisms. So prisms we can define as a prism is a polyhedron whose base and top are congruent polygons and whose other faces, that is lateral faces, are parallelograms in shape. Look at these polyhedrons. Here this face we can call it as base of this polyhedron. Now base are congruent, base are a polygon. That is, here base is a square, here it is a pentagon, here it is a triangle. That means in all the polyhedrons, base is a polygon. Now, what about the lateral faces? These are all the cases, these are all triangles. In all cases, lateral faces are triangles, and these all faces having a common vertex. Here it is. So this kind of polyhedron we can call it as pyramid. So pyramid we can define as a pyramid is a polyhedron whose base is a polygon of any number of sides and whose lateral faces are triangles with a common vertex. Here is your exercise 10.3 questions. Do yourself. That's all for today's class. Have a nice day.